Hello everyone, welcome to another video and today I am going to share very easy technique to improve your English because this is a very common problem people have that they want to learn English but they don't know how to do it. Today in this video I will tell you that what should you do for learn this language. Believe me, you can become better speaker than you never ever think. But you have to do these things every day. Whether you don't willing to do, still you have to do. First things, reading. Reading one page every day or improve your English. Second, listening. When you listen, you should search such kind of place where no one can make you disturb, where no one can remove your attention from there. Okay. Third things, we have to make a habit to speak everything in English. Like, let me tell you one thing. If I say that it was Saturday yesterday, so what did you do? Where did you go? At what time did you wake up? Please describe about your Saturday. How you will say like about that, like Saturday. So first of all, we have to say yesterday I was woke up early in the morning around 6 a.m. After that, I washed my face, I brushed my teeth, I took shower, get dressed. After that, I had breakfast or get ready for office. You can say like this. This is a very simple. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to try to speak. Because this is a very biggest problem people have. They always think about their mistake. But what I am telling you, don't have to think like this. You have to just try to speak. After that, if I say that, what did you do when you came from your office? You must say that. After that, I asked to my wife that, do you want something? My wife said that yes, I want something. So I said to them, please tell me what do you want? She said that uh, right now I want some vegetable because everything is uh, finished. Now I here I don't have anything for make dinner. I said to them, okay, I am going to market. Up then let me say, I said to them that I am going to market when you do some other work. She was saying that it is okay, you can go to market and I am going to make chapati. I said to them, it is okay. So I went to the market and I saw there there was so many people on that market and some people was talking to each other, some people was laughing, some people was enjoying. They a lot of people they were doing different kind of work. Yeah, and I went to the market with my older daughter. Her name is Kavya. So she was saying that, Papa, I want to eat something. I said to her, tell me what do you want to eat? And she was saying that I want fruit. I said, please tell me what kind of fruit do you want to eat? She was saying that I want a red apple. So I went to food seller shop and I asked to them that, bro, will you tell me how much let me say here, my mind is a little bit confusion. That is okay. I went to read a shopkeeper said, yeah, yeah, sorry guys, here I said something different because sometimes my mind is unable to control to make a mistake. That is okay. And I know that this is a very common problem. I am not alone that I have this kind of problem. You have to see, this is a very important thing. When you think that I am making mistake, how you can control on that time. This is a very easy technique which I am telling you. When you don't have anything, when your mind is stop thinking in English, you have to say, okay, let me think. So here I wanted to say something. Instead of saying, who did this, we don't have to say like this. We have to say, okay, let me think. Here I want to say something, but right now I don't remember. And as soon as I will memorizing about that, I will tell you. So here I wanted to say that I went to read shopkeeper and I asked to them that bro, how much red apple are you selling? So he said that I will give you 100 per kilo red apple. I said it is too expensive. Will you give me some discount? So he was saying that see bro, I will unable to give you discount because it is a very expensive. I uh, purchased it, and if I didn't get some money, so why I will do this business. I said to them, no, I can understand you have also family like me. So I am not saying that you don't get profit. You should get profit, but you have to think that what you are doing, this is a very uh, expensive. You have to give some discount. He was saying that is okay, I will give you discount. You can take this 90 rupees per kilo. I said to them, okay, please give me 1 kilo apple. After that, I said to my doctor, would you like to take something other things? She was saying that no, I don't want anything. After that, she said that in front of uh, her, uh, there was one ice cream man. He is selling ice cream. My doctor was saying that, Papa, I want ice cream. I said to them, it is okay. I went there and I bought from ice cream and I said to them, now it is you. Are you okay? You don't want anything? He was saying that, no, I don't want anything. Thank you, Papa. You are the best father in this world. You always make me happy. Bye bye, guys.